everyone, Namaste. On the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Papri welcome you all in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about another interesting activity that is compiled by the most successful and innovative platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. Today's idea is developed by the innovative educators of UP Board for subject English class 5, chapter number 12. Chapter name is Alice in the Wonderland, and the idea that we are going to implement today is known as meditation. So the innovation of this idea, meditation, is to build a vital connection with the concept that has already been taught in the class, leading to the improvement in the creative thinking ability and the imagination of the students. Now the time period for implementing this idea is about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, educator initiate the class by informing the students that today they will be studying by using their imagination skill. Now, educator gives some following sets of instruction to the students to begin with the meditation in the class. And the instructions are that close your eyes and sit silently, take a few deep breaths. Now continue the process by asking them to keep their eyes closed and imagine the following situation silently. Educator asks students to imagine that they are going on a journey to the center of the earth. And asks them to imagine what are they doing in that place, and ask them to imagine what are the experience they gain they are having in that place. Now give some time to the students to imagine the situation, and after the few times, educator asks students to open their eyes gently and asks them to share their thoughts one by one with the class. Educator asks some following sets of questions from the students as a reflection of the above meditation. And the questions can be, what do you think wherever you? Let the students respond. Then, can it be a wonderland? Or so can you share what are the experiences you had in that wonderland? Then afterwards the next question can be, can you tell what are we going to study in our class today? So accept all the responses, and it will be estimated if student have grasped the concept or not according to their responses. Then conclude by informing students that today they are going to read the story called Alice in the Wonderland in the class. Now, if we talk about the learning outcomes that can be achieved in this idea, the learning outcomes are: answer coherently to the asked question in written or oral form, act accordingly to the instructions, and use meaningful grammatical correct sentences to describe the event, and connect ideas that he or she has inferred through reading or through imagination. Now, there are some notes as well that are need to remember. That is, this story is suggested to be taught as per the syllabus guidelines. Inclusion of the learning outcome of English facilitate an integrated approach to learning while students answer the various questions and follow the given sets of instruction given by the educator. This idea help in widening the imaginative process of the student, which act as a medium to collect all scattered energy at one place. Next is the students are encouraged to think and brainstorm after going through the meditation process to come to a conclusion associated with the lesson. This idea also helps in going beyond the textbooks, leading to the enhancement of the thinking horizon as per the NCF 2005. Now, if we talk about the life skills and the values that can be imparted in this lesson, so the core life skill included are self-awareness and effective communication. And the values that can be touched upon are acceptance, that is having an objective attitude towards other ideas, and practices that differ from your own. Now this have some benefit, this idea have some benefit for the children with these special needs, that is CWSN, and those benefits are: the brain produce some healthy waves when meditation and the relaxation begins. So due to these waves, our ability to focus increases, and this will enable the students to learn, process, memorize, and recollect large amounts of information quickly with the peak effectiveness. Next is, during meditation, the students are instructed to concentrate on one particular task, and this in turn will help them in retaining attention, and they will fall into a habit of focusing on the work, and therefore will able to listen and follow the instructions given by the educator. While meditating, the students need to sit calmly and relax their bodies as well as mind. This state of relaxed body and mind can be beneficial for the students with anxiety. And initially the student might not able to sit for a long stretch of time, but with the practice this will gradually improves, and this technique also be very great help to these children with impulsivity and hyperactivity. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like the activity. And if you do like the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and click the bell icon for all the future notifications. And you can also like our Facebook page, Sri Aurobindo Society, ZIIEI. And you can also download our innovative Pathshala app from the Play Store. Thank you.